here. Yo, what's up, Insty? Insty? Wow, brain is just toast. Instagram. I mean, fucking YouTube. What's up, YouTube? Instagram? Yeah, what's up? What's up, Instagram, and what's up, TikTok? Let's have a look over here. Did you get rug pulled yet? Nah, I don't think we got rugged. I don't think we got rugged, thankfully. I don't think we got rugged. But what's up, you guys? Let's do a bit of analysis here. Time flies when you're having fun, and time just completely slithered by where I didn't even realize it was London Open yet. So gold's pushing up, if you haven't noticed. I think it's a smart idea to do a real quick bit of analysis here, top-down analysis, and just get a bit of an overview where we're at right now. Swaggy D, what up, what up, what up? So the weekly's starting to reject here. Daily's got a bottom wick now, it's starting to push up. I've been sus since this wick happened with that Trump tweet or whatever it was. I was very sus on this wick getting filled. And I said, yeah, it might happen, but it might not. It might be come down here first, fuck around, and then eventually work our way up. So we'll see. Definitely bullish for you, Ty. Yeah. Wow, look at this. So the 4 hours pushing up heavy here. Oh, Ty, you're in a long. That's hilarious. Asian cooked me? Yeah, join the club, brother. Join the Great Australian Bake Off, where we're all just getting cooked. Let's have a look. Wow, these 15-minute candles. I guess the first thing we can do is just at least identify this level here, like a major level here. We have a major level here. Those 40 pips today. Gold Raja inspiration. Yes, Gold Raja inspiration. Raja and Daniel, connect tomorrow. Connect, bro. For a podcast, which is just crazy, right? Hope you guys are going to like it. Thought Prop SB discount ends today. Ooh. The 50% doesn't end today, but I think the free account ends today. We'll see. We'll ask them if they jump in the chat. You might get away with it. But the 50% is definitely still there. Yeah, Static's trying to put the fries in the bag over here. We've got... So I'm trading my Prop XP account because I'm not going to rinse my... I'm going to leave my Bullinox accounts today, and I'm going to focus on the Prop XP account today. So let's switch. Let's switch to gold on Prop XP, XAU, USD. Nice, all right. So if I see a setup, I'm going to be observing via trading view and then execute on Prop X. I forget lot size, so I guess like 2 or 3 lots maybe, I don't know. Fries in the bag. Can you show how to place a trade on Prop XP? Yeah, you just up here, you click click trading, turn that off. If you want to turn it on, you just click the trade and it'll execute. But if you turn it off, you press buy. It brings up this shits. You know, you can change it to 2 lots or whatever it is. Then you can set your stop loss here. And then you click. And then once you're in the trade, down the bottom right corner, there'll be a little eye icon. You click that and it'll let you see shit. But yeah, fire. Dope, you guys. Hey, you guys in the mentorship, I've got a juicy Sunday webinar. A juicy Sunday seminar this Sunday. I'm actually so happy that this week is, hey you guys, anyone that's here, so this has been my first red week in a long time. And I'm actually like in a euphoric state because I'm like, this is beautiful. This is so cool because you're downloading so much data. Like I'm learning so much, even just from having a red week. Because it's been a while, you have to be humbled, man. And this is where traders just be little bitches. I gotta be honest. Like you just gotta lock in. You got to know what the game of trading is. It's probably not what you think it is. It's not always dubs. Why do you think there's this? Why do you think this? Check this out, you guys. Why do you think the #1 trading book in the world is called The Best Loser Wins? The Best Loser Wins. What happens when traders lose? They start acting like bitches, honestly. And I've been that guy a long time, but now I understand the game in a different perspective now. Hillary's a criminal. You know what I mean? So, priority access. Yo, Nick, what up, what up, what up? Look at gold, you guys. Hillary's a criminal. She should be in jail. She really should. What time is the podcast with Raja tomorrow? 11. 12. So my videographer gets here. So I'm vlogging the whole thing as well, you guys. I've done another podcast with some of these other lads. The biggest Spanish podcast in the world. Orion podcast. I did one with them. So I've vlogged some of that. But I'll have a proper videographer with me for the Raja one. We'll film it. You guys will see me dab up Raja. What's up, my bro? Sorry. You know what I mean? So, are you doing a live? Are you doing live? Bro. Did you take a trade earlier? Yes. Yep, got faked out down here. I mean, not faked out, it just didn't play out. Right, identified a level here. This is Forex. So look on Forex, it didn't actually even break out on Forex. Not that it matters too much, but yeah, on futures, this red candle here broke below this level on the 30 and the 15. This next candle retested, just a textbook type 1 breakout trade it was. Failed to break out and shot up and tagged us out. And then the same story on NQ as well. It's type shit. This down here, Marissa, I'm not sure if you're here. So one of the students in the mentorship took a sell position at the break of this level on this candle. What do you guys think? You guys on YouTube and TikTok, like why do you think this could be a bad trade to take? If you were to look at taking a sell here, let's say this green candle had wicked up and then started to push down and you're looking to take a breakout type 1 here. What do you guys think? Why do you think that would be probably a potentially hazardous? No bottom wick. The earlier one, no red candle, not strong enough. It's not strong enough body, yep. No bottom wick. Took the same, less risk, okay. 4-hour FVG. Broke from support, yep. Too overextended, yep. Too much red, yep. Broke from support, yeah. So there's like multiple things here, and all of those things that you guys said were just valid. It's really this. Check this out. This is a break below level. This small body candle. So firstly, the body's small. Secondly, it has no bottom wick. Thirdly, it moved all the way from resistance and broke below support. Fourthly, the body's small. I think I already said that. And fifthly, just too much range of just one color. All right. And these are the things. So that student that took that trade, you know, that's going to hurt. You'd be like, oh man, it didn't work out. And maybe, I don't know if they're here right now, but that pain will teach you a lesson now. So those things will be like, oh, I remember last time that happened. Like, you know, and that's how you get better as a trader, through the pain, unfortunately. I mean, I might as well fucking move this level. Feminism is a problem. Say the 5 things again, bro. If you come over to YouTube, you'll be able to see it. You can rewind. Who's gonna make the children grow? Yeah, come over to YouTube. You guys, do you realize I astro projected into Raj's soul, like, throughout all the years of manifestation and visualization and emotional attachment to the visualization, and then I transported my soul into his to the point in which he then reached out to me and we connected. People were sending me clips on my first ever stream, you know, glazing Raja and saying, yeah, I'm going to meet him one day. And then fast forward a year, I astro projected inside of his mouth, and now we're doing it. Hey, you sure you want to be showing your login credentials? Oh, yeah, that's true. So you guys want to talk about like, oh, mum yelled at me. It's like, bro, you're a human being. You could literally do anything. Like, I'm just so gamified life lately. It's not even funny. I'm just so of the belief that this shit's all just a game in a sense. Like you can just cheat the game. You can massively cheat the game, man. I promise you. But won't the pain create like a wall for you? Won't the pain create like a wall for you in the future? You get analysis paralysis? Ah, great question. But here's the thing, Wild. The choice is yours what you want to do with the pain. Do you want to convert that pain into fear? Or do you want to convert it into lessons? That's all. So it's actually a gift. The pain is a gift to you, and it's like, here's a massive lesson in the form of a pain. What are you going to do with it? You have 2 choices. The devil or God. And the devil wants you to turn it into fear. God wants you to turn it into a lesson. Astral. What am I saying? Astral project. Just fucking beam of light. Have you seen your email boss? Easy to hack. Yeah, whatever. Bro, it's not zesty today. What do you think I've been looking for right now? Dan, counter 210. Nah, I don't want to go against this. I definitely don't want to go against this. Like, it was very obvious that this level here needed to be broken and tested. I want to buy gold. I mean, if this can close red, or even just some sort of pullback, we might need to be patient. Some sort of pullback, like with a wick down here and catch a type 2 back up. I don't know what's going to happen here. But there's no signs of the market slowing down. Like these candles are, yeah, they're getting slightly smaller, and this is a major level here. But we'll have to wait and see. 30 so green? Yeah, exactly. See that? 30 just closed. So like that, look at this, you guys. This 30-minute candle here is just like the most perfect bullish 30 candle you will ever see. Like there's a nice wick on both ends. It's fucking strong body, engulfed a major level as well. There's nothing here telling me that I should sell, but that can obviously change very easily. Salam alaikum, what up, what up? Started with 1,000, now I got 200 left. What should I do? Learn from it and know that it's probably not a good idea to, see what I mean, you guys? Don't get fooled by this shit. Learn from it and then just take that 200 out and maybe buy a very cheap prop firm account. Buy a cheap prop firm account. 10K account, it'll cost you like $100. Look here, I got 50% off. You can see on the screen. You can get like a 3K account. Even that, I would suggest. 50% off right there. See that, you guys? Like, and this is why I'm understanding candlestick anatomy is so important. Like I just said, this is the most picture perfect bullish candle you'll ever see. It looked like it was coming down and said, nah, fuck all that, and just immediately flipped. The signs were there. Clean traffic to the left on the 30, but the 15's got a few hiccups. But nothing to be too concerned about, I don't think. Brother, how about this entry on the current 30-minute candle, the next 30? My only issue with this, it's probably going to push, but my only issue with this, I don't have anywhere safe for my stop loss. I want to be able to put my stop loss under a red candle at least. I want like there to be a bit of structure there, that there could be a potentially difficult time for it to get through. Do you have any idea where the most of your followers are from? I mean, we could find out. It's different on different platforms. Yeah, it's different on different platforms. Did you catch a buy, Static? Did you catch a buy here or something? What's your view on Mara? Who the fuck? What's Mara? W. Oh, was it a W? You did too? Nice. Same trade probably with Static? Oh, okay. Nice. Good stuff, man. Please give me signal now. Should we give him signal now? I don't know if we should. No, I don't know if I should. Yeah, so just trading gold today here, you guys. Just trading gold because I'm using a Forex account today. Watched some trade review last night from Raja. He is really aggressive with entries. Top chart reading. Raja makes. You guys. Raja and Daniel connect. Me and him, you know, because I've watched him for so long, I kind of already feel like I know him. I wonder if you guys ever feel like that with me now I think about it. But you know what I mean? So I'm kind of comfortable to be in a pod with him, I feel like. Fuck me, my arm's sore. Wow, the most boring fucking sentence. Mara is the mining Bitcoin stock. Oh yeah, I don't know anything about that stuff, bro. Hey Dan, welcome to Dubai. I see many Aussies traders are moving their real sim. Really? I didn't know that. Oh no, Mohammed, I am. I'm just not today because I took an L on it earlier, or 2 L's. So I'm not. I'm going to trade my Prop XP account today. I don't want to really trade it anymore today. Unless I got a super clean setup, which I don't know. Maybe that's something we'll present. But right now we're just moving up. Is the benefit to live in Dubai the tax purposes? That's one benefit for sure. Yeah. But for me personally, like I can walk to the beach every day as well. I just went to the beach. Then I'm not even exaggerating. It's a 2-minute walk. What up, John? Good to see you, bro. Then you should wear Dubai Habibi dress. I already do. I already did on a couple streams back. Oh, Kashi, you caught this? Yeah, right. Based on the 30, I'm assuming. I mean, I get it. We're so bullish. I get it. I'm sure you guys are putting 1,000 lots on as well. Show us your smile, mate. I'm sure you guys are going heavy. Oh, that's nice. That's good size. Nice. W. Problem with the beach now and another. Wait, what? It's very hot. I love the hot, man. I like the hot. Yeah. Same, Shem. I mean, if you, yeah, I would. It's not one of our ideal plays, that's for sure. But I mean, it's Funky Friday, I guess. Yeah, big freaking 76-foot Kashi. You think it will buy candle until 50? Oh, I mean, I'm honestly of the belief that we probably want to come all the way up here, to be honest. I kind of think that we want to come all the way up here. I don't know if it's going to happen today, because it is quite a distance away, but I'm of the belief that we're going to do some stuff. Yeah, that's true, Kashi. Currently 40 pips of profit. Let's see how much we can push. Yeah. Wow, look at this first page I just opened up to. Fear. My friend is fearful. He's afraid that the money he lost yesterday will not be offset by a good trade that he's going to do now. And what we just said in the Discord there, Kashi, I said, that previous trade is completely independent of this trade. He's afraid that the profits he has currently experienced will diminish. When you're in profits, are you in a fearful state or are you hopeful? He acknowledges that he can't lose on this trade. The stop loss is now at break even. Unfortunately, that gives him a little comfort. But yes, what we're saying in the Discord before, that this trade you take right now, if the last trade was a loss and the one before that was a loss and the one before that was a loss, delete that shit from your mind. This trade's completely independent of all those trades. You can't carry on the emotions from a previous trade. There shouldn't even be emotions associated. It should be relatively mechanical. The only emotion that you involve in the market is your intuition. That's all. And small nuances of, like, you know, changes that a robot, that an AI robot couldn't really do. Why not just ride this wave? Because how do I know if it's a wave if it turns around? It's a wave right now, but how do I know that's going to continue to be a wave? There's no confirmation other than, you know what I mean? Yeah, please get it, you guys. Great idea. I wish I forced you guys to do that earlier, actually. Great idea. And remember what the name of the book is? The Best Loser Wins. The best loser wins in this game. There's two options that happen if you take L's. And I say L's with an S. You can be a little bitch about it and go looking for dopamine elsewhere, or looking for a way to fix it, or there has to be something broken, or understand the nature of the game. Take it like a G and understand that it's going to play out, bro. I promise you it's going to play out. Daniel, when do you give away accounts? Next week, I'm doing a lot of giveaways. Next week, I'm doing a lot of giveaways. Some of the guys have been waiting a while. We'll get a couple of accounts. Fair cash. What up, Chris? Wow, we're moving here. Don't have that same trading book next to me? Nice. Only say psychology book I own. Yeah. Like, I read Trading in the Zone. I just didn't really connect with it. But I do really love Trading in the Zone authors' videos on YouTube. You guys in the mentorship, if you want to watch, what's his name, you guys? Wow, mind blank. Mark Douglas, thank you. Yeah, he's got great books. He's the one that talks a lot about, he's the one that, so think about it like this, you guys. If you flip a coin, like, we can all agree that a heads and tails is 50-50, right? If you flip a coin 10 times, there's a pretty decent probability that even though it's 50-50 odds, you're going to get 4 heads in a row, right? We can all agree with that, right? There's even odds that you could get 7 to 9 heads in a row, even though it's 50-50 odds. So with trading, for instance, if we have a 70, let's say a 65 to 70% win rate, and 35 of the percent you lose and 65 you win, if you flip those odds, there's gonna be periods where you could have 3, 4, even 5 of that 35% hit in a row. And the question is, how are you gonna manage those hits Are you going to take some size off in drawdown? And how are you going to manage psychologically after, right? So how are you going to manage it in the trade and how are you going to manage it psychologically after? Are you going to think mechanically and go, hey, this is a part of the game. This can happen? Because although that can happen, you can also have like 10 wins in a row. And then you're faced with a different issue like, I'm him. I can't lose. Let me size up. Let me take subpar trades. So trading is this constant game of management. It's a constant game of management. Who's gonna make the children grow? Liquidity sweep just happened on the 1 minute time frame. Bro, who's gonna tell him? I don't think you can handle 7 heads. Do you have a replay for your webinar? Yeah, I'm going to sort that out soon. You know the market always repeats the same behavior, whether it's small or big. Exactly. That's what I was saying the other day is like the markets don't get better at tricking you into doing dumb, like taking shitty trades. Like we get better at traders, but the market stays the same. A candle can only move up and down so many ways, right? What book should I read as a beginner with zero experience? Probably none. Just learn the basics of trading first. And then after that, get into some trading psychology stuff. You think it's going to go up or down? Probably up. It's going up right now. There's no reason for me to say otherwise. Took any trades yet? I took a couple trades in Asia and got I got minced into a fucking McDonald's nugget. I got completely minced into a McDonald's nugget and what up, Nash? And yeah, so now we're just waiting around and I'm gonna see if I can take another trade. Yeah. So that 15 just closed, super fucking strong. One thing I've come to realize over the past month, been in the mentorship, is that less is more. Exactly, Andrew. Andrew, I've got you, next Thursday I noticed in that calendar. Yeah, sick. Yeah, less is more. You know, this is the game plan. If we have a decent hit rate, we've got the system and strategy. The goal is honestly, you guys, the goal is to show up and just get like 1 good trade a day. 2 if you're lucky. It's a great way to live. It's a great way to win and a great way to live. Why do you think Raj always says, 1 or 2 trades a day? Just 1 or 2 trades a day. Trust me. Dan just asking for what would you do now if you would find yourself in a gold cell with a position of no stop loss? Graph! If you want to catch a falling knife or fucking catch a flying rocket, this probably is a bad time to do it. We're not even at a resistance level. We're just kind of in the middle of this range. This is the next resistance level here. This is the next resistance level here. Gold has some behavior repeating. It'll go higher to previous. I think, yeah, I was saying this as we jumped on stream. I'm very bullish on gold. I'll be honest, you guys, and this is like an intuition play, but when this happened down here, I knew that this was not going down. This was not going down, bro. I was like, this is right here. This is a good spot to fake out sellers and let the big players or the buyers get in the market and fucking shoot this bitch. Danny, did you see on the Discord, I've seen recordings of trades. What do you mean? Wait, what are you saying? What are you saying? Feminism is a problem. Yeah, I'll give you guys on YouTube. Hey, you guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. If you want to join the free Discord community over here, you got to come over to YouTube stream. I'm live on, if you type Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube, you're going to see what's up. Got a pretty awesome Discord community here. If it retests, would you get in the trade or would you think so? Man, if I see any red, I'm going to start getting interested. In the normal chart, I saw a guy with 84 trades. Oh. Graph's asking for a friend. Graph is the friend. Why do you do live stream while standing? Because I'm going to be here for a few hours, so I might as well stand instead of sit, because sitting's what most people do, and sitting's bad for long periods of time. And I've got like a cooked back as well, so it's like good for me strengthening my back. What goes up must come down and hold forever. I will never say never. What's the plan? I guess, man, like we've just got a ton of green here now. What I said before is I would love to just see a red candle. If I get a red candle, then I'm interested. And then I can start putting the pieces together and trying to figure out a game plan here. But right now, when it's just green for 100 pips, there's no structure for me to like, you know, to like make sense out of all this. Right now, it's just one color. And I like to say it's like Diddy's oiled this bitch up. So if I enter here, there's no red there. So it'll just slide down this bitch so easy, because there's no red candles printed. Red's gonna hold it in place and give issues if it wants to come down. But right now there's not, so this bitch is just oiled up and it can just slide down and hit your stop loss so easy. So I'm not even interested until I see red. Dan, when you get the neon light from me, oh, John, yep. Now that I've got this set up, thank you for reminding me. That could be dope in the background. Yeah, that could be dope in the background. I think. Maybe. I'll figure something out. John, could you please message me again on Discord just so I've got it fresh there? Thank you, Justice. Graphene. Bro, you guys are egging him on. Yellow folder? Yeah, that's okay. Yellow folder shouldn't really do much. Gold got no chill? I know, bro. It's crazy. Diddy references are great. We need more of those. What up, Jack? So just clear things up. I'm not in a trade. Okay, fair. So if you see red, you're buying, is what you're saying, bro, Muhammad. If I see red, I can start to at least paint a picture is what I'm saying. Like, let's say, check this out, Muhammad. Let's say this candle that's green right now, it says, nah, fuck, like, don't worry about that. Let's say something like this happens. Now I've got something to work with, because when it's just green, what am I going to do? I can't just, am I going to click sell? Am I going to click buy? Like, there's nothing I can do. But let's say I just get a bit of red, because red tells me a bunch of different shit. If I get red that engulfs that and like breaks back into this range, and then I switch to the 30-minute time frame, and it looks like this, because it's these two candles, then I'm like, oh shit, we're breaking back into the range, the 30's flipping green, red, I get another retest, and then I can look at taking sells. But if I get another red that's like a small body, I'm like, and about a wick, and I can be like, oh, interesting, maybe I could be willing to take an impulse buy after that and put my stop loss down here now that we've got some support formed. But whatever it does, it's just gonna give me more shit to play with. And right now when it's green, I have nothing to play with. I have no toys right now. I'm grounded. I'm grounded until like some red prints. What platform do you trade on, sir? You didn't say sir. I guess I just pictured that in my head. I use prop firm accounts. Dilawar, what up, brother? Good to see you in the webinar too, bro. Good to see you in the webinar. Come on, guys and girls, drop a like. Yeah, guys, drop a like for the stream, gang. Get me to 100 likes. Please, please, please. Get me to 100 likes and I'll do a podcast with Raja tomorrow. And I'll tell him to kiss everyone. I'll tell him to follow everyone. Good stuff. M36. No, I don't trade crypto. 3 green candles are starting to go long, but I want a short. Today it's Friday. Bro, why? Why would you want a short when you just literally... Listen to how the human brain works. You told yourself, you projected the reality of the situation, but then you coupled that, you covered it up with your perceived reality, where you're like, 3 green candles, sign of strong long, but I want to take a short. What the fuck? How does that make sense? How? That's why everyone blows up, man. That's why everyone's brain blows up in trading. Because you don't realize you're constantly, it's a fight against your own brain. Predict the top, yeah. Dan's neighbors, oh yeah, true. If I turn up on your doorstep, we'll be kids. I'll tell you what, you guys, the 3 best books obviously the Bible's number 1. The Best Loser Wins as the best trading book. Think and Grow Rich changed my mind and like really actually helped me visualize and actually think and grow rich. Like this is a fucking amazing book. Think and Grow Rich, I would say, changed my life pretty well. And I've read most of the self-help development books, Think and Grow Rich, because this was in like 1928. This is before social media. So, you know, it's not influenced by like key things and all that shit. And skill with people, which is just basic human communication skills. Because your ability to communicate and be a good people person can get you so fucking far in life. Like, if I didn't have the ability to speak well, there would be half the people here in this stream, and you know, Raja wouldn't be comfortable doing a podcast with me, and like it opens so many doors if you can actually shit the bed. You know what I mean? Yep, Napoleon Hill. What up, Etho Trader? So let's see if gold wants to move up to this level up here. How do you apply the lessons to Think and Grow Rich? I mean, it's not so much applied, obviously you do apply the lessons, but it's the philosophy behind it, which is you have a clear visualization of what it is you want. You make an effort to put the reflection time in to think about it, attach those thoughts with an emotion. Like for me, I can attach a thought of touching the steering wheel of the Lambo. I can attach the thought of the family, the balcony, the financial freedom in a house, right? And then you do that multiple times. You can, if you want to accelerate it, you can write it down. I used to have shit in my fridge. The shit in my fridge I far exceeded. And at the time I thought I was lying to myself about how far, like what I thought I could get, and now I've exceeded it. But you need God. You need God as well. God will accelerate the process massively. You need God. Then I'm incorrecting in saying there is an example of strategy. Yes. Where's that, Jack? Yeah, go through all you guys in the mentorship. I highly suggest this weekend, order in The Best Loser Wins online. Order the book in The Best Loser Wins. That's an order, Sergeant. Honestly, man, please. Talking is so important. I'm happy working in sales for 4 years. Yeah, sales will help you that for sure. Yeah, that's good. Best thing you've ever said all day is you need God. Yes, yeah, you need God. You do. You need God if you really want to accelerate the process. I'm only just saying that from an example. I've only moved towards God in the last 8 months. I only moved towards God because I was like, I already started coming to conclusions in my own mind about the big answers and big questions. And then when I was like, let me see what's in here type shit. Let me see if it matches up with what I think. And I was like, and as I started moving closer and feeling the connection spiritually, my whole life just started getting exponentially better to a point where it was supernatural. It was like, it shouldn't be going at the rate at which it does, because I was listening and trying to live in accordance to what he says, which is cut the vices, move in this direction, XYZ. I'd been a critic of religion and shit for so long and never even really questioned why. What the fuck? What a loser. I didn't even know why I was a critic. All right, let's have a look at this. There is a level here. What's the difference from this level here to this level here? It's only like 15 pips, you guys. It's only like 15 pips. Oh, you read The Best Loser 2 times? Nice. Just got it today? Sick. I'll order all them 3 books. Yeah, do it, Bluey. Again, the reason why Think and Grow Rich is so good, it wasn't put together in the social media era. This is before keywords and like all these ideas became popular. This come from like raw reality, the real shit. There's actually another book called The Game of Life, which is fucking amazing. Yeah, nice, Frank. Yeah, do it, CJ, if you want. But I would rather people have like a physical copy. Yeah, crazy run from gold. Did you hold any partials, Ty? Nice, Andrew. Man, you can have the valleys without the values without the faith. Yeah, you can, of course, but at the end of the day, you're going to have to answer some of the big questions in life. And if you want the answers, it's all going to lead somewhere into one direction. Do you realize like the top 3 guys are the number highest IQ people in the world all believe in God? They understand. It's like, it's just simple. You can, even like highly intellectual people understand that it all leads to, I won't go on a rant, but because I know people will switch off, but it's whatever. Anyway. Oh, that was an hour closure as well. Wow. Yeah, the physical copy, it's just like, because you've got it, right? And you're like, yeah, I've got this shit. Yeah. 4 hours still open. Oh yeah, of course, for sure, Ty. Like in the most ideal world, what Ty was saying there is, if we got, like in an absolute ideal world, let's say it's pushed up, rejected off like that, came down, closed pretty fucking strong. Maybe we've got another one like this, filled some of this range with wicks. I mean, I know I'm asking for a lot, but the reality is I would be very interested in taking an impulse buy back up here. Or if it were to close like gradually and just show signs of weakening gradually, like something like this, and then we waited for that green candle to close like this, I mean, I'd pull out all my accounts and just press whatever the max margin limit is. All good, but I'd press the max margin limit. But I don't know what's gonna happen. I think we're gonna just keep pushing. How many pairs do you focus on? Just 2, but mainly gold. Yeah, fuck with NQ a little bit, but mainly gold. Boss, don't trade any reverses on this order. No, it's not a reverse, it's a pullback. I'd be buying. I'm talking about buying, not selling. He who created death and life to test you as to which... Would heaven be boring without experience in hell? But what if heaven is just eternal love and just acceptance and love in the most heightened emotional euphoric state, but you come to earth to experience the contrast? Why do you think throughout human history it's always been yin and yang, good and evil, light and dark? There's two forces in life. What if those forces are there because we're here just to learn? We're just here to learn. And then when you finish learning, you go back up to the eternal state of love and happiness with new lessons. I don't know, just a thought. How do you start learning about religion? It kind of came to me. But actually, can I say something? This is the last thing I'll say about religion. I really felt like I moved towards God and just trying to explore that because I felt like I felt the presence of the devil or evil. And I said, if this presence is so real of evil, then there has to be a contrast. So then I started searching. So it was actually the biggest mistake the devil made was making himself too apparent. I think that's the biggest mistake the devil made was making himself too apparent. All right, anyway. What pair is this? This is gold, bro. Hey Dan, saw your Dubai video about being real, about moving to Dubai and how you were contemplating coming. Just want to say I'm proud of you, bigger things. Thank you, Vishal. Yeah. Crazy, man. Yeah, exactly, Joe. Yep. Hangyao. Oh, don't be Oh, you get a fucking hidey now. Oh, wow, look at this person said, crazy person talk, I'm out. Fuck. Bro, do I sound crazy? I feel like I'm not saying anything crazy. It's just, I guess it's out of the normal conversation, but it's just a perspective. Like, there's nothing wrong with hearing a perspective that you're not used to, bro. That's crazy. Damn, imagine if I'm just a crazy person spitting bars. Anyway, I know I'm not, but it's all good. Yeah, so man, I'm still in the same boat where I'm waiting for I'm still in detention, just waiting for a red candle to print, bro. I need a red. OG Dan was loose. Yeah, I watch some of my old streams, I'm like, I've become a nicer person. I'm like, my goal every time on stream was always like, just be positive, be nice. That's so funny, Ty. I'm glad it's motivating, Mark. I'm glad to hear that, brother. That's the goal. That's one of the biggest goals of even just filming or making content about the decisions that I'm making, like to move to Dubai and find success in different areas, is to motivate others. It's like, here, bro, look, I did it. I'm an idiot. You can do it. Yeah, that's good to know, Ty. It's just exactly that, Rich. Now it's just find the strategy. You just answered your own question. You're at that point now. Now it's find a strategy that works well with your personality and just lock in. Lock in on it. You got to lock in on it. Don't do what I did. I fucked around for like 2 years and just wasted so much time and money. Do you mentor? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so we're still just here. How to join the mentorship? I mean, I do have a website. You can just apply. It's just a waitlist at the moment. We're actually launching like in a couple of days. So it's just a waitlist at the moment. You go danielholmestrades.com. The very first thing, join the mentorship now. But we're only taking in a few. I was about to say the word, but I meant to say cats. Like you can apply and we'll go through it. But yeah, we're only taking a few people. No, you're not. No, you're not, Static. Yeah, legit. I have yet to see you take a trade in live, yet you inspire me. Yes, brother, I know. I know. I have a way to approach the market that you guys probably, a lot of guys here aren't used to, which is just wait to see what you need to see. Like I just mark my key areas and then I have to wait for a breakout or a bounce off and it has to look right. I take trades every day, whether it's on this London stream or not. Who was your mentor? Raja Banks. Raja Banks, who I'm linking with tomorrow for a podcast. Lock in, guys. You gotta lock in, man. One question, I have an account funded drawing 500K. What do you suggest being risky and aggressive? I don't really understand what you mean, but the answer regardless is going to be the smart approach. Don't risk anything crazy. Just chip away slowly. Does Roger do the same strat? I mean, just price action trading. Like, it's different now. I actually don't. I'm assuming he still trades the same, but Raja just like kind of marks key areas, waits for breakouts. Raja's strategy is very similar in terms of just breakouts, really. Like I'll put my own personality in, add a few type 2 and some different variants in, but yeah, just similar in terms of price action trading. What time is the podcast? I mean, we're gonna film it tomorrow, but I don't know when it's actually gonna come out. You guys should donate money to me. Said Katie. Yeah, funded accounts sub and. Your friend style is quite similar to Nick Stewart. He's also a student of Roger. Ah, there you go. Yep. Yeah, I like Nick as well. Nick's awesome. I appreciate watching live videos. It's 1 a.m, but I'm still making. Nice, Ivan. Good to have you here, brother. Good to have you here. Yeah, I'm hoping we get it set up. Like, I really need this candle print bread, which it looks like it's about to do. So all the impatient people that are going to have a crybaby about this, you're going to have to wait a bit longer. You crybabies, because there's two things that can happen here now. One, you go, well, what if a candle breaks above this level here? Can you take a buy? No, you can't. Why? Because the next resistance is right there. Are you going to buy into resistance? No. So the best bet now is to wait for what we would call a type 2, which is the market show signs of pulling back again and then a continuation up. And then you look to enter a buy position around here to go with the trend. Alternatively, we could get a sell position. Let's see what the 30 looks like. Yeah, the 30's still got 17 to close, so we'll have to see. We'll have to wait. Just get used to it, man. You don't take trades on stream because I wait for quality setups. Connect, bro. It's been a hot minute. We just need to do it. Okay. Connect. Come on. There you go. Connect. Come on, guys. Doesn't matter. Hey! Do I have to, mum? Hi, yes, commodity trader. Doesn't matter. Connect. Why did I come to this fucking stupid event? It never gets old. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Connect, guys. Doesn't matter. Love it. Love it. The African Americans. Hillary's a criminal. Pretty much, Ty. That's right. That's pretty much it. Quality setups more profitable overrun, then yes, that's like serious trading. Waiting for the quality setups. It's too psychologically stressing to take bullshit trades all the time. Just wait. Just be patient. Wait for the actual proper trades. Right, I'm walking around Dubai connecting. Just try it myself. Oh, so good. What up, Jev Teak? Doing amazing, brother. Just waiting for gold to do some pullback, which it looks like it's starting to do now. We're really looking for some sort of potential continuation here. What's the 4 hour doing? The 4 hour closes here in 40 minutes. The 1 hour is rejecting. I mean, I think it's a pretty decent probability that we can get that, fill this range, and then maybe fuck around later. I think there's a pretty decent probability that we could just do that. Doesn't matter. Yeah, okay. So just start to lock in, you guys. Like, obviously we're just chilling, but start to lock in because we could start getting ready to lock in here. I'm walking away. Huge angular resistance. Tori would be frothing. Really. I see a trend line. You guys are looking at some sort of trend line over here. Let's have a look. I mean, really, guys? Are we really doing this? I mean, it's not even a trend line. And if it was, it's kind of broken through. Oh, I mean, are you anticipating it to tap into the top end of it or some shit? Shit, now that we've got that confluence, maybe we can fucking add in this as well. And fucking, Ty, you shouldn't be agreeing. What up, Barra? B-Dog. If the current candle closes green, will you buy it the break? Maybe. I want to see, and here's the tail, obviously. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Okay. Trade order flow and footprint. Hey, bro, why don't you trade like I am? I don't come to your stream and tell you how to trade. Have you tried the famous Karak tea? No, it sounds good though. Where does Tori live? Maybe I've got to do it just for the law. If I can connect with Raja, surely I can connect with Tori. Nah, I've been so locked in, bro. I've been so busy just doing shit. I don't even know what a girl is, other than the one that catfished me. Yeah, you guys. So I'm trading on my Prop XP account here today. As you can see, there's a 50% off code there on the screen if you're interested. They have no trailing drawdown, less than a pip spread, and fucking really favorable conditions. Why are you not checking the minute chart? Because it means nothing to me. Never see you take a trade plus running after us asking to give you money. What? I am? Coded. Oh, Cody, what up, my dude? Do you think price feels like clean range? While yeah, I don't know if it's going to fill this range. Like, I have no idea, but you know, if it does, it'd be good. I want to see a sign. I'm still bullish, but I want to see signs, maybe a pullback and a continuation. I want to buy gold. Buying gold is going to be a good idea, I think. But we're going to have to wait, because coming onto stream, all you've got is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles. What are you going to do? All you guys are saying, never do you take a trade. You guys are, honestly, bro, you just don't get it. It's all good. We just gotta wait, man. We've got to wait. See, the old me would have said something different. Tori needs a spiritual stoic man like yourself. She's crying in one of her latest videos where she was saying making all this money doesn't mean anything to her anymore. What? Bro, if you guys see me crying in a video saying money doesn't mean anything anymore, maybe I need to do some content like that. Yeah, maybe that's what I need to start doing, is crying like that and stuff. That's right, Kashi. Yep. Yeah, I think that might be a good idea. Okay, let's have a look, Alex. No, it's a pip. It's less than a pip. What are you talking about? Wait. What are you talking about? No, you stay zesty. That'll bring the boys to the... Possible buy pullback. That's exactly what I'm waiting for, JX. Yep, that's exactly what I'm interested in. I don't, Tyrone, but I would love to connect with Nick one time, for sure. Oh, fuck it, I might as well go raw. All right, so we might be getting something happen. Lock in. Don't even talk, just cry at the camera for 30 minutes. The title will be like, sad because I make too much money, and then there's no talking, it's just a video of me crying for 30 minutes. And at the end, I just say like and subscribe. Hey, you guys, make sure you drop a like for the stream, gang. Can we get this stream to 100 likes here on YouTube? Can we get to 100 bands here on YouTube? What do you guys think I should ask Raja Banks on the podcast tomorrow? Should I ask him anything that would indicate that somebody on the stream told me to say? What up, Haseen? Free fun tickets. Ask him if he should buy or sell. Fuck, could you imagine? The very first thing, sir, should I buy or sell? What color is his Bugatti? Yeah, fair enough. It's a lot of C4. Yeah. Ask him how he's doing. Wow. Oh, that's a pretty good idea, Gash. That'd be funny. Huh. That's actually a fucking good idea if I say, because he's got Dominion funding. I say, why don't we do like some sort of content where we stream and try and pass a challenge on stream together or something. Are you nervous to do a podcast? You know, I'm not considering I've manifested it. I'm not. I'm just more excited. I'm more just keen to talk to him. It'd be a good conversation. Yeah. Oh wow, see that flip just sounded really aggressively. Alex, are you genuinely saying that the spread is 4 pips? No, that's what I mean. He doesn't have a podcast. We're just kind of catching up. Yeah, we'll get Raja on the stream one time. Yeah, he's off still a while. No, they don't have instant funding. Love the vlogs. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going to be punching out some more. Definitely punching out more vlogs. Working on one at the moment. Let me see right here, Alex. Oops. How are you telling that, Alex? I don't know this fucking platform well enough. Oh, nice. Thanks, Matt. Really, Shem? I can't even look. Oh, wow, look at this. Okay, this is nice. I might start getting ready to lock in here. So the idea here is that we're moving up aggressively, right? There's no signs of pulling, there's no signs of it slowing down really. We're just moving up. The candle bodies are getting bigger, greener, and stronger. We had a strong pullback here. And like I said earlier, if we get a strong pullback and just indicate weakening, like just indicate just a pullback for a continuation, really. That's as simple as that. So we've created support here now. We've had a pullback. If the next candle can wick down, it's starting to push up a little bit here, but yeah, it's starting to push up a bit. We just want to pull back a little bit. Wick down and continue up. I might be interested in some sort of impulse buy here. No top wick here. What's the range? We're kind of pushing up a bit now. Yeah, we're running into some troubles here. We kind of pushed up quite a lot here. The range to this point is only 10 pips. Yeah, tricky conditions here. Oh wow, look at this. Patience pays, exactly. 100%. Because so now realistically you'd be wanting to take the entry from the top of this wick. Now we've only got 7 pips range. I do believe gold wants to push up. The 30s held support here now. I might be interested in an impulse buy at the break of this 30. I might be truly interested in an impulse buy at the break of this 30. What up, Mohammed? 15 pip range. Yeah, we're just looking for a little rat scalp. Yep. Hour, that'd be the hour flipping. Just looking for a little rat scalp here. Oh my God, I'm getting itchy from this pre-workout. Weekly, oh, weekly open. I mean, the weekly open is all the way up here. Oh, the daily, so if the daily pushes, it's going to engulf the previous daily as well. Wow, and then we start to move into that big wick range. Big wick energy. The 4-hour closed in 27 minutes. What's this level? 3350.28. I might put a buy stop there. Pending 3350.28. Buy stop. Yeah, I might try and anticipate a bit of volume here to push it past and just try and get a little rat scalp. Just get a bit of a rat scalp, really, nothing crazy. That'll be the 1 hour flipping green. Right, that'll be the 1 hour flipping green as well. Nothing crazy. I wouldn't put the house, I wouldn't bet the house on it. But yeah, just trying to get a little rat scalp. That's all. Yeah, I'm still with Bullinox. Even though we thought we got rugged by him yesterday. Yeah, maybe, Joel. Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna bet my neighbor's house on this. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, this 30 wick is small. Yes, that's true. Prop X would never rug us. Exactly. Does anyone know how much 2 lots on a 100K account would get you in Forex with 10 pips? 2 lots on a 100K account and gaining 10 pips. Is it 200? 200. Oh, that's nothing. I'm gonna fucking double up. Okay, I might as well double up. Pending order. Yeah, I'm gonna add another pending order then. Of 2 lots. So it's 4. Maybe I'll do 4 lots, 3 lots. Maybe I'll do 4 lots. Maybe I'll do 6 lots in total. At the price point of 3350.28. Oh wow. All right, nice. Okay, so we've got 6 lots waiting there, like a little bear trap. I'm not even, I personally wouldn't be too concerned about a bottom wick. The idea is just volume. Yeah, the idea would just be volume. Wait, wrong price, huh? Oh. No, I think it's slightly different on this platform. Oh wait, is it wrong? No, it's different on this platform. For whatever reason. I don't know how this shit works, bro. Oh. Yeah, you're right. Wow, I'm actually, thank you guys. Top 10 dumb people. Thank you for buy pending. Yeah, nice. All right, there we go. W. Then you started, wait, what? What do you mean? You guys, live here on YouTube, full screen. You guys on TikTok, you guys on YouTube, can we get to 100 likes over here? Oh, 83 likes, just a couple more likes. Please, please. Thank you for last night's webinar. Nice. Kiwi, thank you for being there. Kiwi Steve. Oh, you got a fucking hungy now. You get a hidey now. Thank you for being there, brother. Yeah, brother. Appreciate it, man. Do you like futures or Forex better? Both. Yeah, I'm neutral. It's the pre-workout. Yeah, pre-workout kicking in now. Oh, you get a hidey now until we get home and I'll fucking tell mum. I mean, we might as well mark a level here as well if a candle breaks below. Wouldn't really want to sell today, but I mean, might have to. Shot our... Should I risk big? No. No. You should just risk what you feel comfortable with. You should never risk an amount that if you lose the trade, You're like, I really wanted this candle to be the one that pushes as well. I really wanted this candle to be the one that pushes. Would you come back to Australia for visits? Yeah. Yeah, for visits. Oh, you didn't know I was streaming while watching on TikTok? Yeah. Now you can see more on YouTube, hey. Yeah, we stand out here. Yeah, a lot of clean traffic below. That's true. So yeah, we'll see how this candle closes. Ideally, this was the one that was pushing, that was going to push, but we'll see. Yes, 110 likes. Thank you guys. Alhamdulillah. Now can we get to 200? Is it still not working? I emailed them today, Shem, with that error. I sent them the error message. Hopefully I'll hear back from them. Microsoft Xbox just charged me $22.99. Wow. Yeah, I haven't heard back yet. Same, no reply? Okay. V-Bucks confirmed, that's exactly what it is. My niece has V-Bucks attached to my card. That's exactly what it is. Alhamdulillah. To you too, brother. I think price might be hanging out here till this 4 hour closes. It closed in 18 minutes. Gold thinks that I'm not going to be fucking patient out here. I'll wait. I'll stand here all night until something clean arises. How about that, Gold? Are you living in Dubai? Yeah, I am. Yeah. Where's your stop loss? Good question. What's a stop loss? My stop loss will be... My stop loss will... Oh, these ranges aren't even that big, you guys. I mean, my stop loss might even be fucking, you know, down here somewhere. 30 pips, 40 pips maybe. This range isn't as big as I thought it was. No, there's no news today, Cav. Where were you at 19-year-old financially? When I was 19, I was a fucking loser. That's why we got young Static here in the mentorship, who's at his age locking into this. I'm like, bro, that is just insane in the best way possible. I was an absolute loser. I was a product of my environment, just crime, DR, UGS, just all the dumb shit. Oh, Big Anus, what up, brother? Thank you for the guidance. Thank you for being there, bro. Hey, bro, prop. Account. I don't know. I don't think they don't have an Insta funding thing. Oh, you came over from TikTok? Nice. Yeah, you guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. I'm going to end the stream here on TikTok. If you want to continue and we'll jump in this trade together, type in my TikTok name onto YouTube and you'll see I'm live there right now. Peace out. Peace, peace. I'm walking away. TikTok was probably going to ban me because I said drugs, or I spelt drugs out. Man, you'll be surprised how fucking easy it is to get banned on TikTok. All right, this 15 is about to close. I'm going to keep my shits here for the time being. We'll see. I like this is flipping green. Keep him going. Yeah, absolutely. I'll keep him going for sure. Oh, look, here's Prop XP in the chat right now if you've got any questions. Awesome, Mohammed. Yep, great age. You're locking in at a young age is a really good idea, bro. Back from TikTok. Nice. Good to have you here from Tiki. Good to have you here from T. Tick, tick. Pretty much wet. I mean, we'll see. If it doesn't push out like in a minute, I'm not keen. Because yeah, the 4 hours about to close. So you don't want to be stuck in a fucking open of a 4 hour. Yo, Dan, joined the webinar yesterday and applied for the mentorship. Quick question, rough idea, pricing. I have no idea, bro. They're going to help you. They'll just show you all that. But I appreciate you being there, bro. Appreciate you being there. W. Yeah, all the guys that are at the webinar are like the guys that are kind of locked in, you know, to sit there for an hour of just going through trading psychology and the mindset that you need in this game. Taking notes. A lot of guys will send me notepads and stuff. They took notes, which is insane. W mindset. Oh, from TikTok, good to have you here. Make sure you guys drop a sub. I'm live here on YouTube every day. Live. What do you mean by live view, Marcel? I'll show you, Brucey, how you view it. So when you're in a trade, down the bottom left here, see down the bottom left here, there's that eye. Oh, you still can't see it. There's this eye icon here. So when I turn that on, look, now I can see my trade. I can see what's up with it. When the trade gets entered, then I can drag the shits up. I can move my stop loss and stuff. So you just got to turn that eye icon on. I. Prop X. We all over it. We all over it. Just subscribe, bro. I love the accent and follow Aussie. Oh, dope. Just join the Discord. Sick. Yeah, Discord link pinned there in the chat. Yeah, we got a full community over here on Discord. We have a full community over here. What do you guys think about this? John's sending me some of these. Like John said he can make me something like this. Imagine that in like the background type beat. Big History. The GOAT. History was my first ever viewer on the streams back in the day. From 50 to almost 30. Crazy. It's doing amazing, brother. Bro, History. Remember how I used to talk about Raja back in the day as well? Now I'm catching up with him tomorrow. That's so good. Yeah, I'm a bit scared of this. This is a bad idea. I want to cancel my order in a sec and wait for this 4 hour to close. This 4 hours about to close, you guys. Unless you want to be in a trade during the open of a 4 hour candle. Let's just see how this 4 hour closes here. It's a more smart thing to do right now. It's a very much smart thing to do right now. Thank you, Watterus. Watterus? Watterus? Prop XP really quick to answer email support. Yeah. And they're pretty much in the stream every day as well, so you can just chat. You can spit bars at them. But it has to, your sentence has to rhyme. Like a fucking rap bar. Alright, so we've got 10 minutes. Let's see. Even if this candle closes like this, I might be interested in an impulse still. Yeah, you'll see everything XX. Surely when you meet Raja, you will call him sir. Fuck. That's why they goated. Yes, sir. Goated. Yeah, you guys can see on the screen there, 50% off all the prop accounts, prop XP accounts. So, you know, run out of volume here. I think there's just everyone in the buyers and sellers right now are all waiting for this 4-hour candle to close. This 4-hour candle is going to be a solid indication. If the 1 hour holds support like this with the wick at the bottom end, I think there's a really high probability that we're just going to punch out after this, punch up after this. I think that's a pretty freaking high probability. I could be wrong, and I'm very willing to be wrong, but I think I'm right on this one. Rap God. Wait, what is this? C+? Let's have a look. No, there's nothing in that link is invalid. With Prop XP? Oh, I don't even know. Prop XP, what is it? What's the leverage? Can a person be greedy during an evaluation challenge since the main goal is to get... I mean, yes, as long as you know how to trade, like, I wouldn't say greedy, but it's not the worst idea to go a little bit heavier during the challenge phase. But if you're still very fresh to trading, then it's not worth it. Then you need to just collect data more and just trade it maturely and, you know, responsibly. But if you're pretty comfortable with how to trade now and you understand your strategy and system very well, it's not the worst idea to go a bit heavier during the challenge phase. And if you blow the account, like, have a cry. You're not actually blowing $100,000. You're blowing $100 or whatever it costs. Sorry, Prop XP, but, you know, we've got to tell them the truth. Oh, look at this. FX and metal is 1 to 200. Nice. Prop XP has 4 pip spread. That's hard, Dan. Yeah, I don't know. I thought it was lower than that. Maybe I'm tripping. It's hard with Forex. It is hard with Forex to get low spread, or that low at least. Oh, you can go up to 1 to 2,000? No, I don't know. I'm more drawn towards 1 step personally, but it's personal preference. Not for prop firms, Alex, it's not. No, it's not. Not for prop firms. Maybe for brokerages. Maybe for fund, like, maybe for personal capital. I mean, they have TradingView built in, but you can just kind of manually switch from TradingView back to the normal shits. All right, there's a button up the top left here you can switch between. But look, this is how I do it, Majik. I just watch TradingView, and then when I see what I need to see, then I'll switch over to Prop X and click the shit. I don't need to do that, Alex. I'll just do it by actually trading them in real time. I've traded many Forex prop firm accounts and the spread is definitely more than 2 pips. I don't need to go on a website. I'll do it through real time Like, I'm sure maybe things have changed, or maybe there's certain firms that don't, but I've definitely used many Forex firms where the spread is crazy. All right, you guys, we're about to get this 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, and 15 minute candle closure. I like how the how the 4 hours looking. I mean, the 1 hour's looking. 4 hours super bullish, 30 minutes this, and 15's whatever. I wouldn't, yeah, the 15's, don't look at this too much. It's nothing, it's just consolidation. And we've definitely got to think about potential sells below. I might as well put some sells below text here. It's not ideal. I don't want to sell. But it could be something. Maybe C plus, yeah, maybe. Definitely maybe after a giant push. Maybe we could just be consolidating now. So basically anything that breaks out you enter into. In this case, potentially. In this case, potentially, yeah. Obviously it's not that simple. I would still need to see certain things, but that's the basic idea. Yes, always stand, that's right. Yep. I stand for my rights. All right, here we go. We're getting this big closures coming up. What's the market going to do? Pardon me. How long does this stream last? I mean, you know, a little bit longer. I want to, yeah, we'll see if anything can start to present over here in the next couple minutes. Stand on business, yes. Yeah, we'll see if something can start to present here soon. Would love this to reject up a bit more so that 1 hour close is a bit smaller body. What do you mean, money? All right, here comes a minute left. This last minute, you'll probably get some impulsive moves. Dan, I beg you to go on Tori's website and look at her top middle video. You'll see what I mean. All right, we'll do it while this candle closes. Tori trades. Fuck. Nice website. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, Insta, yeah. Selling into that 4 hour green. Yeah, I don't want to sell. I don't want to sell. Historically, the last week, selling gold has been a bad idea. No, we just consolidated for London. We pushed up and then just consolidated. $30 seconds here. I'm going to take away this idea of a buy stop now, because the idea of the buy stop was based on this 1 hour holding support up here, but smaller body. Now that body's starting to get quite bigger. That idea of taking an impulse buy is switched now. So now I'll be looking more for breakouts. And we're still within this consolidation range. It's failed to break out right now as this 4 hour opens up, which is fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for this new 4 hour. It's about to open now. I'm going to see if anything can be presented here on this first candle open. And if not, fucking who gives a shit. Tori is top 1 hot trading girl. I don't care what it all think. Fuck. Terrible idea selling gold this week. Yeah. What up, Tyrone? Wait, what? Am I tripping out? No, it's the 4 hour. That's the 4 hour closure. This is kind of a 4 hour rejection zone as well. Like we are in a 4 hour rejection zone. Like look right here. Same thing happened here. Very similar area. Basically the exact same area. Very similar looking candle. The next one completely melted. Love Dubai. Anya Trades is top tier. Damn, who are all these people? Anya Trades. Let's have a look at Anya Trades. Trado. Oh, snap, son. Is this actually a real trader or is this some sort of glitch? Nah, this isn't a trader. There's no way this chick's a trader. Do you really think this chick went through all the heartache to become a profitable trader? There's no way. I'm sliding in. I'm sliding in, boys. This is a trader. She went through the heartache and the pain and the years of fucking trauma to become a profitable trader. This chick. This chick. I'm sliding in, boys. This chick went through the heartache. I'm sliding in, boys. This chick. I gotta slide in. I have to slide in. She's profitable. She's a profitable trader. Fuck it. She's whatever she wants to be. I can't. This chick. Where's her Instagram? It's got to be done. Message. Mummy. Why? OCD, fuck it. The bullets. Something took over me, guys. It's the photos! The photos! Fuck it. Just run with it. Haram. Bro, it's not haram. It's all good, man. It's all good, bro. Send a milk emoji. Mama. Bro, I just FOMO'd on her. I just impulse traded on her. Bro, I just impulse traded her. That was an impulse trade. Fuck, man. I've still got bad trading habits. That was an impulse trade. Damn it, bro. Why? Why do I have to... Why couldn't I just said fucking how are you? Bro, this is why I'm single, bro. Anyway, let's have a look here. It was an impulse DM, exactly. It was an impulse DM. I'm not myself when I'm in drawdown. I'm not myself when I'm in drawdown. Cody, when are you coming back? I'm not myself when I'm in drawdown, you guys. I just revenge DM'd. Okay, looks like something's happening here. Love this Friday and Steve. I bet she loves it. Oh no. Hi, little mommy would have. Oh, fuck, man. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens, I guess. Nah, I can't put the buy stop back. It could totally push here, but the conditions are different now. The conditions have changed for me to put an impulse buy here now. Oh, nice, Cody. Yeah, it's gonna be good to have you back. Sunday session. I mean, I've been cooking up a dope Sunday session this Sunday for you, for the mentorship crew. What happens if she answers daddy? Wow. Could you imagine, you guys, if that's her reply? And then I start posting like shirtless pic. I'm like, I'm a trader. Damn, those photos. That's the girl that's gone through the trauma and the years of tears and the fucking blown accounts and the fucking why, Lord, to become a profitable trader? Really? Maybe. There's only one way to find out. And that's to go on a date with her. She's 16. Fuck off, bro. Fuck off. Guys, is that rage bait? Oh, I just got a head spin from screaming. Was that rage bait? 16 for real? Fuck off. What's her name? What was her name? Andy? Anya. Anya trades age? Bro, did I just call a 16-year-old mum? Oh, she's 27. Fuck! Bro. Bro. One more time. Last one ever. Really? All the trials and tribulations, all of the heartache, all of the pain to become that successful, profitable trader. I mean, maybe. Nah, it didn't happen. Let's have a closer look. No, we've got to move on. Oh, wow, look at this, you guys. See where I wanted to have my buy stop there? The conditions weren't right, though. Zoom in. Yeah, did anyone keep their buy stop there? I know some impulse traders would have. How old are you? I'm too old to be acting like this, bro. I'm 34. I'm way too old for this. I understand. When you show us that clear, it's true, you're not a trader, bro. There's an equation to like ask to profitable trader ratio, and she maxed that out. She massively maxed that out. Yeah, I know. Wow. See you, gold. I guess, we wanted to hang out, but guys, just chill. It's Friday, man. It's Friday, bro. I wanted to be... See why I have my buy stop there, you guys? You can see why now, can't you? You can see why now. Just chill, guys. Gold's just going to keep pushing up, bro. Like, maybe you can get something, but it's Friday, bro. It's Friday, bro. Lock in, chat. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you drop a sub. Be back on Monday. And yeah. Raja stream tomorrow. Raja podcast tomorrow. Raja Banks. Just 1 to 2 trades a day. 1 to 2 trades a day. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Really, that chick's a trader? I'll catch you guys later.